Okay, so in this video we're going to look at slices in Go, and this is one of the main data structures we use in Go programming, and all it is a flexible dynamic list. And what this means is that think of it as a variable that holds variables inside of it. If you've already programmed, then you should know what lists are, or arrays even, but slices are different to arrays. Slices, like I said, are dynamic because they can vary in length. You can append to them, you can delete elements from them. However, arrays are fixed. You can't delete from them, you can't add to them. They have a fixed length. So we're going to look at slices in this video, and we have a little program here. We're declaring here an empty uninitialized slice, and what we do this is give it a name, shorthand declaration, and we have square brackets to let the program know we're dealing with a list or a slice, the data type of the slice, because slices and arrays are only one data type, so you can't have a slice with numbers and strings in it. It can only be a single data type slice. So in this case we're having a slice of string, and then these two curly brackets at the end. However, this notation simply creates an uninitialized slice, and I'll show you how that prints out in a second. While in the next line we're creating a slice, but using the make built-in function, and what make does is allocate memory to each element. So we're creating the slice here, we're telling it a slice of string, no curly brackets required if it's in the make function, and next to it the second argument is the length of the slice, the initial length, because remember we can change the length if we want to. So if I were to run this, here's what I mean. This S, which we're printing here, empty, completely empty, there's nothing in it. However, this one, even though we haven't given it values, well, we actually have, but we haven't printed them yet, as you can see, it's allocated space to it. It knows that there are 3 elements there because we've given it 3. Obviously we can change this, and what we're doing next here is adding values to the slice. And to add values you simply type the slice name, in between square brackets the index of the element you're accessing, and slices and arrays and all of that, they all start counting at 0. So 0 is the first element, 1 is the second element, and 2 is the third element. So at the 0 position we're giving it hello, at the first position we're giving it hi, at the second position we're giving it what up. And what we do to print it, we just simply write this. We write the slice name and the index in between the square brackets. That's all you have to do to access a slice. And as you can see, at the 0 index we've told it to say hello, and it prints out hello. If you want to say hi, there you go. What you can do for this one is you can initialize it. You can literally just hard code initialize it. So you can write hello, hi, and what up. And what's this does, we've given it initial values from the beginning. We've just said, okay, these are the first 3 values at the beginning. So if we type in S now or access the first element, which should give us hi, as you can see it gives us hi. And that array which was previously completely empty now has the 3 elements. So if you want to initialize it with your own values, you use this notation. If you just want to create an empty slice which you're just creating because you know you're going to use it later, then I'd recommend using this. And 3, this can change because you can add things later. And in the next video, this was just a short introduction, but in the next video we're going to look at how to add elements using the append function. We're going to look at how to delete elements, and more operations with slices. Thanks for watching.